Good afternoon, Olly's farmers. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the last field here. This is Vicarage Field, and this is, like I say, the last field on the farm which is due to be harvested, and it's actually looking a little bit short in places, and I don't think there's going to be a huge amount of straw across all of the fields, to be totally honest, but that's just the way it is, unfortunately. Every year is different, and we'll just have to appreciate that. But yesterday we did actually get 100 bales in, which was quite good, to be fair, so we're not totally lost on straw. And just in the distance over there actually is the neighbouring field, and that's actually Duncan actually got those bales in. I don't know if you can just see them over there, and he was just getting them in the other day on the field just next door. Okay, so just walking across the road back onto Hillhouse Field, and there's Jeffrey just over there on the top of the hill just with the combine, and he's going to be moving it now onto Vicarage Field, which is of course the field which we've just been on, so that will be the last field when he gets onto there. So he's just dropping off the header onto the trailer and then he'll be moving out of here. Okay, so I'm just seeing the combine and the header across the road. There she goes. There you go. Easy does it. Okay, so Inchi now goes to the Vicarage Field. Okay, so I'm now on to Hillhouse Field again, and on this field there looks to be a lot more bales, which is nice to see. And the Massey Ferguson baler with the round baler on the back is around here somewhere, which I'm just looking for now. And here she is, the Massey Ferguson with the round baler. She's just stopped at the moment to drop out a bale. So there's still a few swaths to bale through on this field just over the hill here, and then once the Massey Ferguson's finished with this field, he'll move on to the vicarage field, which is what we were just on over there in the distance. Well, what a lovely sight. As the sun's going down, we've got the combine just unloading there into the trailer again, and I've just been pushing up the corn in the shed, and there's the Deutz just there. They're just unloading on the go. So it looks like there's a good amount of bales already which have been baled up on this field so far, and it's also yielding quite well as well, this field. It's got definitely a bigger swath than all of the other fields put together, so the vicarage field so far is actually seeming to be the highest yielding of all of the fields on the farm. But look at this thistle here. Just going to take this out. This is one of the only thistles I've actually seen in it. I'm just going to go and put it on the side there so it can be cultivated. But other than that thistle there, this field has actually been really, really clean. Okay, so there's looking to be a good amount of barley in here now, and I've managed to just push it up high enough so that we can get hopefully the rest of the loads in. You obviously have to be quite careful with the bucket just against the girders there. On the left hand side you can actually push it up a bit more because you've got a bit more room. It's at a slight diagonal actually, the roof, and you can actually see that in the barley. I can just push it up a bit higher that side. That is barley harvest 2019 over and done with. All of the malting barley is here now, so it's in the shed and it will be taken out of here probably within the next month, and then it will be loaded into lorries as I've said before, and I'll load it with the JCB. So there we are, that's barley harvest over and done with until next year. So like I said, I'll load all of the barley out of that grain store there in this next coming month, so stay tuned for some content on loading the lorries. Hopefully you've enjoyed the coverage of harvest. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching, and as always guys, do comment, rate and subscribe for plenty more videos to come.